Hey everyone! If you're a freelancer looking to seriously boost your productivity, you've definitely clicked on the right video. We all know the drill. You're juggling multiple projects, deadlines are looming, and you're doing your best to deliver top-notch work without burning out. It's a common struggle for freelancers everywhere. Today, I'm super excited to share some incredible AI tools that I've discovered. Tools that haven't made the mainstream buzz yet, but are absolute game changers. These hidden gems can dramatically transform how you manage your day, speed up your tasks, and enhance the quality of your outputs. If you've ever felt overwhelmed by your to-do list, or if you found yourself wishing there were a way to clone yourself just to keep up with your workload, then you're not alone. We've all wished for more hours in the day, a way to work smarter and not harder, and that's exactly what I'm here to help with. These AI tools are like finding a new gear for your work engine, allowing you to do more, faster, and better. If you're ready to tackle these everyday challenges and dive into the world of AI-driven productivity, smash that like button, hit subscribe, and ring the notification bell so you don't miss any of our videos packed with practical tips and powerful tools. Here on this channel, we're all about making your freelance life as easy as possible, and these AI tools are key to unlocking that ease. Today, we're going to walk through each of these tools, explore their features, and I'll show you exactly how they can fit into your workflow to not just meet those deadlines, but crush them with room to spare. First up, let's take an in-depth look at Claud AI. While many of you might already be acquainted with popular content generators like Jasper, Claud AI takes content creation to a whole new level. This advanced tool does more than just generate high-quality content. It integrates a sophisticated learning algorithm that adapts to your specific writing style as you use it. This means that each time you interact with Claud AI, it becomes better at mimicking your voice and tone, essentially learning to write just as you would. This adaptive learning capability is a game changer for freelancers who strive to infuse their unique voice and personality into their work, but often find the process time-consuming. With Claud AI, not only is your content personalized and reflective of your style, but it also saves you countless hours that you would otherwise spend writing and editing. Over time, as Claud AI continues to learn and adapt, it will be able to produce content that feels authentically yours, almost as if each word were carefully crafted by you personally. For freelancers looking to maintain a consistent voice across all their content, without the constant grind, Claud AI offers a perfect solution. Its ability to learn and adapt not only makes it an efficient tool, but also a personal one that grows alongside your freelance career. Every piece of content it helps create is not just a reflection of your thoughts, but also a showcase of your evolving style, ensuring that your work always feels genuine and deeply connected to your personal brand. Claud AI isn't just a tool, it's a collaborative partner in your creative process, continually enhancing its utility and becoming more in tune with your preferences, making your content creation smoother and more intuitive. Moving on, let's dive deeper into Deepseek, a powerful AI that stands out as a sophisticated alternative to ChatGPT. While many AI chat models focus on general knowledge and conversational responses, Deepseek takes things to the next level with its ability to understand and generate responses based on deep domain knowledge. This makes it an absolute game changer for freelancers who work on specialized projects that require a high degree of accuracy, expertise, and industry-specific insights. If you're working with complex legal documents, technical manuals, or medical reports, you know how important it is to get precise, context-aware information. Unlike generic AI models that provide surface-level answers, Deepseek is trained to dig deeper, ensuring that every response is not just grammatically correct, but also technically sound and relevant to the specific field you're working in. This level of depth is crucial for freelancers in industries where even small errors can lead to big consequences. Whether it's a legal contract, an engineering blueprint, or a scientific research paper. Deepseek's ability to process large volumes of information, analyze the context, and provide well-structured responses makes it a must-have tool for freelancers handling complex data-heavy work. Instead of spending hours manually sifting through research papers, guidelines, or technical documents, you can leverage Deepseek's expertise to quickly generate reliable, in-depth responses, saving you valuable time while increasing the quality of your work. Next in our lineup is Jasper AI, an AI-driven image generator that does more than just create visuals. It specializes in technical accuracy. While tools like Midjourney and DALL-E are excellent for artistic and creative designs, Jasper AI caters specifically to professionals in architecture, engineering, product design, and other technical fields where precision is non-negotiable. Instead of generating generic images, Jasper AI transforms complex text descriptions into precise visual representations that meet professional standards. If you're an architect designing a new building concept, an engineer working on structural designs, or a product designer refining prototypes, this tool ensures that the visuals align perfectly with industry specifications. This means no more vague, stylized AI art. Every image it produces is calibrated to exact measurements, realistic proportions, and accurate detailing, making it incredibly useful for professionals who need data-driven visuals rather than just aesthetic designs. One of Jasper AI's standout features is its ability to work with CAD models and technical blueprints, allowing professionals to convert sketches, text descriptions, and even 2D designs into detailed 3D renderings. Whether you're creating complex floor plans, mechanical components, or concept visualizations, Jasper AI ensures that the generated images meet real-world design constraints. Beyond engineering and architecture, freelancers working in advertising, branding, or product visualization can also benefit from Jasper AI, tailored to mesh seamlessly with social media platforms. Writesonic Studio is designed to optimize your content for maximum engagement and reach. Whether you need catchy Instagram posts, compelling LinkedIn updates, or dynamic tweets, Writesonic Studio enables you to maintain a vibrant and professional online presence. It streamlines content creation, allowing you to stay active and engaging on social media with minimal effort, thus enhancing your digital footprint and keeping your audience hooked. For those of you creating video content, you must check out Synth AI Studio. This platform is revolutionizing how we create videos by offering customizable AI avatars that do more than just talk. They interact with your audience in real time. This capability is perfect for creating educational tutorials, online courses, or even marketing videos that are not only informative, but also highly engaging. Synth AI Studio helps keep your viewers engaged, making your content not just watched, but also interacted with, providing a richer and more immersive experience. Before we proceed, if you're finding this rundown helpful, please take a moment to give this video a thumbs up and consider sharing it with other freelancers who might benefit from these innovative tools. Subscribing is free, and it helps us continue to bring valuable content your way. Lastly, don't forget the incredible utility of Task AI. More than just a simple task manager, Task AI intelligently prioritizes your projects based on deadlines, the importance of each client, and even adapts to your personal working habits. It's akin to having a personal assistant who not only understands what you need to do, but also when you need to do it by, helping you manage your workload with unparalleled efficiency. Task AI is your behind-the-scenes powerhouse, ensuring that you stay organized, on track, and less stressed. By embracing these advanced tools, you're not just keeping up with the times, you're setting yourself up as a leader in the freelance market, equipped to tackle projects with confidence and professionalism. These AI tools are here to not only simplify your workflow, but to enhance the quality and efficiency of every aspect of your freelance business. In summary, AI tools,